Most people using n8n right now are paying $24 a month for cloud while still getting capped at 2,500 executions. And I run all of my production workflows for just $6 a month with no execution limitations. Now you're probably thinking there's a catch, and there is. Now self-hosting for us non-techies used to mean spending an entire weekend trying to figure out AWS, containers, Docker, and that's why nobody did it. And in fact, when I set up my very first self-hosted n8n account a year or so ago, I actually had to pay somebody on Fiverr to do the complete setup for me because, yeah, it was a bit too technical. But now, Hostinger have changed the game. They built a one-click n8n setup that gets you started in less than 5 minutes. You don't need any Linux commands or any Docker knowledge. You can just start working in n8n with unlimited workflows and execution limits. But first, you need to know if self-hosting is even the right choice for you, because for some people, it's not. Now, if you're learning n8n for the first time, you've got a handful of workflows, you're not really running a huge volume of executions through your account, and you don't mind paying 24 bucks a month, then the n8n cloud version is probably going to be the better option for you. But if you're building production systems for clients and they require data privacy, or you just keep hitting the execution limits and you want something that's more reliable and cheaper, or you just want full control over everything, we're talking updates, security, configuration, backups, all of that good stuff, then in my opinion, self-hosting is going to be the better option for you. So now let me show you the actual cost difference. Now, if you look at the n8n Cloud Starter Plan, which is $24 a month or 200 bucks annually, you get 2,500 executions each month versus Hostinger, the KVM2 with a 24-month plan. That's going to cost you around $6.29 a month, which is about $167 for 2 years. And you get unlimited executions with no caps. So that's 70% cheaper and you're removing all limitations. All right, so let me show you exactly why you should choose Hostinger over any other VPS providers out there. So when you head over to Hostinger and you click the self-hosted n8n button here, or you use a link in the description, then you're going to end up on this page. And so let's take a look at some of the features. Now you can see that they've got a ton of reviews on Trustpilot with lots of people using their service, not just for self-hosted n8n, but they also have web hosting, WordPress hosting, a whole bunch of stuff, email domains. And even when you sign up, you actually get a free domain if that's something that you want to use for a specific purpose. Now, they do have a New Year sale on right now. I don't know how long that's going to last, but still the pricing is extremely competitive. And there's different plans that you can see here. And you might be thinking, well, what's the difference between these plans? Now, this all depends on how much data you're going to be processing through your workflows. You can think of it like your computer. If you have like the lowest spec computer, you're not going to be able to run a really RAM intensive game, for example. So it's the same with your VPS. It's essentially a computer that is running your n8n instance. So if you're going to be running a lot of data and you're going to be pulling in thousands of documents, maybe you're going to be processing images and videos and things like this, then you may want to get one of the higher packages with more RAM, more cores, and higher disk space. Now, I'm not super technical, so I don't know exactly what the benefits of all of these things. But the cool thing here is you can just try it out for $4.99 a month, get up and running, start building, and then if you do have some more intensive projects, let's say you've got a client and they've got, let's say, 20,000 rows of data that you want to run through a workflow. Now, if all of that data is getting processed and is going to remain in the execution window, that's going to take up a lot of RAM and a lot of disk space. So just something to bear in mind when you're thinking about these different plans. But if you're brand new, don't worry, just get the basic plan and you can always upgrade. So your plan comes with all of this stuff, one-click installation, no servers to set up, you get all the community nodes, unlimited concurrent executions, unlimited workflows. There are over 100 pre-made workflows that you can get access to. And like I mentioned, you can get a free .cloud domain if you sign up for 1 year. So one thing you may have noticed here is n8n with Q mode. You might be thinking, well, what does that even mean? So I found this article on Hostinger, how to configure n8n Q mode on VPS. So essentially what this Q mode does It introduced a job queue that distributes your tasks across multiple work processes rather than running everything in one place. So this is extremely useful. Once your workflows grow in complexity, you'll find that running them efficiently can become a pretty big challenge. So running everything on a single process can lead to slow execution times and potentially even cause your automations to fail. So that's why the n8n queue mode is so damn useful. It's going to queue your jobs and distribute your jobs so that the performance can stay top notch and you can run a lot more executions, a lot more data through it. Now, you might be thinking, well, do I need to set this up myself? Well, no, you don't. You can actually get an account with this already set up. And I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of signing up for an account and getting up and running with n8n in literally just a few minutes, which we're going to jump into right now. So if you want to sign up, you'll click the link in the description. You'll click claim deal. You'll come through and you'll just choose a plan. For me, I'm just going to choose this KVM2. Gives me a little bit more performance. It's still super cheap in my opinion. And we're going to move forward. Choose that plan. All right, so here on the checkout page, you can choose to pay monthly, 12 months or 2 years. I'm just going to pick 12 months. You can turn on the daily auto backup. There is a way to do that using a workflow and GitHub. So I'm not going to turn that on because I can do that myself. And you can also manually back up your n8n instance by saving a snapshot, which we'll get to in a second. Server location, Europe's fine. Search for the OS. Now, these are the options that you've got. And like I mentioned earlier, you can set up n8n in queue mode. You can set up n8n with 100 workflows, or you can just set up with the basic installation. I'm going to go with 100 workflows just to see what we've got going on and what kind of workflows that we get. These are the 100 most popular community workflows pre-installed into your n8n instance. Okay, I'm going to go with the queue mode instead. Look, you can see here, it mentions what the queue mode actually is. This template is ideal for automation agencies or power users handling high volumes of workflow executions. So I'm going to click confirm. Cool thing is I have a discount code, Growth Lab. Apply that. Boom, we got $75 there for a full year, which that's basically going to be like 3 months of the n8n cloud. Okay, boom, we're inside the account and all looks pretty nice, pretty straightforward. We can do the KVM setup. So let's go set that up. And I'm just going to pick Lithuania. It doesn't really matter, I don't think. We wanted to do queue mode, didn't we? So I guess we're just selecting this again. Okay, so we need to set up a root password to log in. So I'm just going to crack in that right now. Okay, so it's setting everything up. And yeah, this should take literally a couple of minutes. All right, there we go. Setup's done, couple of minutes. And then we can come in and manage the app. And we should be straight in with n8n. We can get rocking and rolling. We can start building. We can import workflows. We can import JSON. We can go over to Claude and we can start building with Claude. In fact, I did a video here on how to build workflows using Claude by just prompting. So we arrive at this page, we just pop in our details, and then we're going to get access to our account. Now, as I'm logging in, I've got this pop-up here that's giving me paid features for free forever. So this includes advanced debugging, so easily fix any workflow execution that's errored, then rerun it. Execution search and tagging, so you could search and organize past workflow executions for easier review, and folders so you can structure your account. So I'm going to say send me the free license key. I don't remember getting this when I installed n8n self-hosted on AWS, so that is a very nice bonus, I will say. And now we're in the account and we can just start from scratch and we're pretty much good to go. All right, so we've just set up basically the foundation if you're going to be building on n8n. It's just the first step. It's basically a prerequisite for building anything once you've got the tool installed. But if you actually want to build production-ready workflows that solve real-world problems, that's exactly what we do inside of my n8n mentorship and certification program. I have over 8 years of experience working with clients in the automation space, and I'll personally help you become an AI operator so you can confidently analyze departments and businesses for problems, propose and create solutions that actually end up saving time or saving money, or ideally both. So if that's something that you're curious about, there is a link in the description below. So let's get into 3 reasons why I think Hostinger is better for n8n self-hosted setup than any other VPS out there. Firstly, they have a very solid spec for their virtual machines and their servers with SSD storage and AMD processors. And this basically means your workflows are going to be fast and responsive, even when you're putting hundreds of executions through. Now, like I mentioned earlier, there are different plans with different specs for the servers. And so if you're going to be putting like thousands of executions through a day, then maybe you'll need to upgrade to a higher level plan. The second thing is data security and privacy. With n8n self-hosted on Hostinger, your data stays completely private because this is your own server. We also have some options for backup and monitoring. So if you want to make up a snapshot, you can come in here and do that manually, or you can set up a schedule or upgrade for daily backups. Now, there are some workflows out there in the community that you can install and just set up in a few minutes. You can integrate that with GitHub and you can set up backups for all of your workflows. So that's something that I have. So the third thing for me is control and scalability. If, for example, you pick up a client or you end up having to build a workflow that's going to process a ton of data, then what you need to do is upgrade your server. So you don't need to go into the terminal and do some code, or you don't need to dig around in AWS for the right setting or the right menu. You can literally just easily one-click upgrade right here in your account. And honestly, guys, if you get stuck on anything, you can see down here in the bottom, they've got this AI agent. We can just open this window, this chat bot, and you just ask it whatever you want and it will help you out. So I think that's super cool. I think this dashboard is pretty simple and easy to use. And now you can just get started building in n8n in literally just a few minutes from setting up your account. And that's it, guys. You've got the n8n self-hosted setup running for unlimited executions. That's way cheaper than getting an n8n cloud account. Now, you might be thinking, well, what's the downsides? Well, the only things that I've seen in my experience is you don't get the AI workflow builder with the self-hosted account. You can see usually there'd be a square here. The AI builder right now is nothing too impressive, I would say. You can easily get better results with the Claude MCP method with the Claude skills. So you can check out the video that I've done on that up here. The only other downside that I've seen is sharing your workflows with other people. Now, of course, you can export your workflows here and you can download. But for example, when it comes to my students, I advise my students to, well, I have both accounts. I have a cloud account and I have a self-hosted account. When it comes to sharing workflows in your cloud account, you can actually add people so that they can log in and then they can come in and see your executions and work on your workflows. So for me, for my students, that's kind of one of the benefits of having a cloud account. But honestly, when it comes to running workflows in production and you're running a lot of executions, self-hosted is by far the best way to go, hands down. Cool. And if you want to get this exact setup and you want to save 10%, you can just use the code GrowthLab, and there should be a link in the description below where you can get started today. And you can watch this full tutorial that's going to be on the screen right now. It's 50 minutes. I walk you through all of the basics of n8n, of how I use all of the different nodes, the 80-20 of what's going to get you the best results to build your workflows and AI agents. I'll see you over there.